Assalamu alaikum students. These videos I'm making for white and matrix students and matrix students of Pakistan and India both. So the course is almost same, okay? The course content is almost same. So this is basically for matrix students of both these countries. The students who are doing matric in Pakistan and students who are doing matric in India, they both can get help from these videos. Also, their parents can get help from these videos. There are so many parents, they have done mathematics and they can help their kids if they want. So these videos will be helpful for them as well. Okay, now there's another example. They say solve this thing by this expression. We are given with 5x squared equal to 30. And this is solve this by factorization. So we are solving this expression, this thing, this equation. We are using factorization method. So now see here, I will bring 30 here, 5x squared minus 30, this becomes equal to 0. Now see what we will do here. Now I can take 5x common. No, not 5x common. I can take 5 common here. Okay. Yeah, 5x. Sorry, this is x. This is 30x. I did mistake here. I'll have to erase it here. Okay. 5x square is 30x square. 30x, yes. So now this is 30x equal to 0, and now 5x common here. So x minus 6 equal to 0 now. Now, you know, when there is a, b equal to 0, then there are two meanings here, either a0 or b0. So we will say 5x0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. So dividing here by 5, x is equal to 0 and 6 goes there. So you know, whenever you are getting the question, when they say solution or solid, by solution they want you to get the value of x, that variable which they have used there. So solution meaning is getting the value of the variable. So to get the value of variable, you will have to keep the variable alone. That's why I'm dividing here by 5 both sides. So we got two solutions, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 6. Okay, there I always ask my students to read book. That's very important. Okay, there's so many good things in books. You know, here they have given this thing. They say remember this thing. You know, what are they saying here? There are so many students, they do this thing. 5x squared is 30x, and they cancel 5 here, they cancel 5 there. So x squared is equal to 30x, then they cancel, divide by x here, by x here. They get the x result. They get the x result here, which is 6x. X, you know, we are missing now one. If you see here, 1x is 0 and 1x is 6 here, and we got here what? We got here only one value for x, which is x is equal to 6. So where is this thing? Where is x equal to 0? It's missing here. So we are basically, we lost one root here. So this is not correct method. Okay, don't do this method. It's not giving you the correct result. This is not, you're not supposed to do this method. Basically you are using this method and you're getting solution using this method. So solution set here, solution set is 0 and 6. That's the result. Now here is one more thing. Solution by completing square. Okay. This is very good thing, very good method. It's not difficult, although some students say it's difficult, but it's not difficult. Okay, it's easy thing. You should understand this. Look at the example. Example is x square minus 3x minus 4. X square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Now, in this by completing square. Okay, what is the meaning of by completing square? And what is this method? How we do this question using this method? Very simple thing, not difficult. You just need to understand it. Okay, look, what is the coefficient of x here? Coefficient of x is what? That's 3. Okay, so just take that number. You know, the sign is not required. Forget about sign. Sign is not required. We don't need to take sign. Just take the number. The number is 3 here. So I took the coefficient of x, which is 3. Divide this 3 by 2. We say make it half. That is the rule. That is the method. Okay. So when you take the coefficient of x, divide by 2. You divide by 2. Now square it. See, 3 over 2 whole square. Now come to the question. अब देखिए यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे हम यहाँ पर. Look at the expression. Expression is x square minus 3x. Now we will take this number to the other side. So we will keep the first two terms, the x square and the x term on one side, and the constant term will go to the other side. Now, plus here 3 over 2 square, we already taken square, so हमने square लिया हुआ है. यहाँ भी उसको plus कर लें, 3 over 2 जिसका square लिया था हमने, उसको यहाँ पर plus कर लें. Yeah. Now this is square and that is now see here. अब यहाँ देखिए students. You know what I'm saying to my students? I always tell them this method. See, मैं उनको कहता हूँ कि ये चीज this variable इसको नीचे ले आए. Okay, bring this thing down. इसको भी नीचे ले आए. Without power, power को छोड़ दे. यहाँ भी power छोड़ दे. Bracket में बंद कर ले इसको. Now, ये जो sign है ना, ये वाला minus sign यहाँ पर दिया है, is exactly the same sign will come here. अगर यहाँ पर plus sign है, it comes here. अगर यहाँ पर minus sign है, it comes here. Now the power, see, power is 2 here, power is 2 here. So power यहाँ पर जो power था ना, वो यहाँ पर लगा. Okay. अच्छा, if you have doubt, कि sir, how you are doing this thing, how you are taking this thing equal to, see the whole thing, आपने ये पूरा चीज, this whole thing आपने नहीं, the whole thing I took it and I made it what? I made it equal to this thing, x minus 3 over 2 whole square. Now see, I'm showing it to you. This is basically exactly equal to that thing. I'm changing the color. I will take the blue color. Now, if I take x minus 3 over 2 whole square, this is basically 3 over, this is basically, x minus 3 over 2 and x minus 3 over 2. अब देखिए, x with x becomes x square, x with 3 over 2 becomes minus 3 over 2x. This with this becomes minus 3 over 2x. This with this becomes plus 9 over 4. So this becomes x square. If you take these two things, if you add them, look, I'm adding them here, minus 3 over 2x minus 3 over 2x. Denominator is, you see, same denominator here. So take 2 minus 3x and minus 3x. This is minus 6x over 2. So you got minus 3x. What is here? That's minus 3x. Now, so minus 3x. And this is what? This is 3 upon 2 whole square. Now compare these two things. Is it not exactly equal to this thing? So it's exactly equal to this thing. That's why I took it equal to this thing. मैंने इसको इसके बराबर ले लिया. Now, I always tell my students to do this thing with calculator. It's ये calculator इसलिए करना है कि कई बच्चे यहाँ पर mistake कर जाते हैं. Now, अगर आप calculator से नहीं करते, manually करते हैं, तो फिर आप इस तरह please कर लिए. Multiply this with this. 4 with 1 is 4, and 4 with 4 is 16, and 1 with 9 is 9. So you have x minus 3 over 2 whole square is 25 over 4. Now, ये 25 over 4 आ गया. अब यहाँ पर देखें, हमें x की निकालनी है वैल्यू, सॉल्यूशन चाहिए हमें. So I'm bringing it down. मैं इसको नीचे ले आता हूँ. This is x minus 3 over 2 whole square and 25 over 4. So square root यहाँ ले ले, square root यहाँ ले ले. Now we know that square root is 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 and 2, they cancel each other and the result is 1. Or 2 and 1 over 2, they cancel each other, the result is 1. So it's x minus 3 over 2. And here we know that 9 square, हमें पता है इसका कि ये होता है plus minus 3. अगर 4 square है, it's plus minus 2. अगर 16 square है, it's plus minus 4. So we might make it plus minus 5 over 2. Now, x minus 3 over 2 is 5 over 2 plus 5 over 2. And x minus 3 over 2 is minus 5 over 2. So x is 5 over 2 plus 3 over 2, which is 8 upon 2, and it means x is 4. Here we have x is minus 5 upon 2 and plus 3 upon 2. So result is 2 and minus 5 plus 3. So the result is minus 2 over 2 and the result is minus 1. So we have हमारे पास दो वैल्यूज आई हैं x की, एक 4 है और एक minus 1 है. These are solutions for x. So that's the result. You see here we have the results, same results, minus 1 and 4. So मैंने अभी आपको दो तरीकों से इसका सॉल्व करना सिखाया है. One method is factorization and one method is completing the square. Now I'll be doing some more questions with completing squares. But मैं उसको third video में करूँगा. And please watch these videos. अच्छा, एक और चीज़ आप लोग उसको भी ख्याल करें प्लीज़, क्योंकि मेरे पास जो चैनल है उसमें ए लेवल की वीडियोस भी हैं एंड उसमें ओ लेवल की वीडियोस भी हैं. सो ए लेवल ओ लेवल वीडियोस उन बच्चों के लिए है जो कैम्ब्रिज, उनका बोर्ड कैम्ब्रिज है, वहाँ से इंग्लैंड कैम्ब्रिज, तो वहाँ से उनके पेपर्स आते हैं. और अच्छा, डिफरेंट बोर्ड, जिस तरह आपके पाकिस्तान, हमारे पाकिस्तान में मर्दान बोर्ड अलग है, शौर बोर्ड अलग है, स्वात बोर्ड अलग है. दीज आर डिफरेंट बोर्ड्स. सो ये कैम्ब्रिज के पेपर होते हैं और चैनल में मेरे पास वहाँ पर उनके वीडियोस भी होती हैं. तो आपके वीडियोस के लिए मैं आई विल यूज मैट्रिक कोर्स एंड लेसन चैप्टर 1 लेसन 1 चैप्टर 1 लेसन 2 चैप्टर 1 लेसन 3, इस तरह. तो आपने अगर आपने चैप्टर 1 इस चैप्टर का अगर आपने फर्स्ट वीडियो देख ली है तो मैं एक ही मतलब चैप्टर 1 का मैं लेसन 1 चैप्टर 1 name the chapter, like suppose chapter is quadratic equation, so उसका lesson 1 lesson 2 lesson 3. तो उस तरह आपने जब lesson 2 सर्च करना है, आपको नहीं मिले तो आप YouTube पे वहाँ लिखेंगे chapter number 1 quadratic expressions and lesson number 1 lesson number 2 lesson number 3. So that's how you will find the other videos. दूसरी बात, प्लीज इन वीडियोस को अपने क्लास फेलोज, जो आप क्लास फेलोज होते हैं, उनसे ये शेयर कर लें उनके साथ। और जो मेरा चैनल है 3PAIMATH अकेडमी, इसको सब्सक्राइब भी कर लें आप, क्योंकि जो भी नई वीडियोस बनेंगी फिर वो ऑटोमेटिकली वीडियोस आपके पास आएंगी। और जो आपको डिफिकल्टी हो, लास्ट थिंग, जो आपको डिफिकल्टी हो ना इन टॉपिक्स में, तो अभी मैं आई एम डूइंग चैप्टर दिस टॉपिक, आई विल फिनिश दिस टॉपिक, देन फिर मैं उसके बाद नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में जाऊंगा। तो मैं ये टॉपिक के बीच में मैं कोई और टॉपिक नहीं करूंगा। तो आपने इसी टॉपिक में कोई आपके इश्यूज हैं तो आप मुझे कमेंट्स में उन इश्यूज के बारे में लिखेंगे। सो आई विल देन ट्राई टू एड्रेस दोज इश्यूज। मैं फिर उन इश्यूज पे क्वेश्चंस और एग्जांपल्स एक्सप्लेनेशन आपको इंशाल्लाह दूंगा, ठीक है। सो ये कि इस चैनल को लाइक भी कर लें और सब्सक्राइब भी कर लें, वीडियोस को लाइक भी कर लें, सब्सक्राइब कर लें इस चैनल को, और अपने क्लास फेलोज को इनको शेयर कर लें। थैंक यू सो मच। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।